Hi, I'm Oluwakemi. Glad to have you here again. This is JAMB Physics 2017, and the question goes thus. The mass of an element liberated by one coulomb of electricity during electrolysis is. This brings us to the first law, the Faraday's first law of electrolysis. I would like to just do a quick diagram, but I'm going to make that fast. Okay, good. Alright, so that is a quick diagram. So rough, never mind. Okay, so the first law of the Faraday's first law of electrolysis states that the mass of substance deposited or liberated at any electrode is directly proportional to the electric charge. So in mathematical form, we have M is proportional to Q, and if we remove the proportionality sign, it gives M equals ZQ, where M is the mass in grams and Z is the proportionality constant in grams per coulomb, and this is also known as the electrochemical equivalent, which is the mass of a substance produced at the electrode during electrolysis by one coulomb of charge. Okay, good. And remember, Q is the charge in this equation. Alright, so let's go back to the question and answer. The mass of an element liberated by one coulomb of electricity during electrolysis is A. Molecular mass? No. B. Electrochemical equivalent? Exactly. The Z is also known as the electrochemical equivalent. Okay. C. Chemical equivalent? No. D. Atomic mass? No. So the answer option B is the right answer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.